Welcome to this exploration of data innovation, where we uncover how data lakes power modern finance. In this second episode of the Finance Transformation 2025 series by Regal Wiser Consulting, we dive into the concept behind data lakes, the hidden engine powering modern finance. This powerful approach is changing how organizations store and use data to drive strategic decisions. Let's begin our journey to demystify this secret weapon that is reshaping the future of finance. Stay tuned as we explore every layer of this innovative system. Imagine stepping into a world where the old, rigid data warehouse model evolves into a dynamic synergy. In this scene, we explore the evolution beyond traditional warehouses, where a flexible framework replaces outdated silos. Visuals illustrate data moving fluidly from various sources into lakes and warehouses, powering analytics, machine learning, and business intelligence. This evolution represents the shift from inflexible methods to agile, data-driven strategies that empower organizations with timely insights and cost efficiency. Let's unpack how this transformation fuels modern finance. Join us in this narrative journey now. Let's dive into the numbers shaping our future. Global data lake market revenue is on an impressive upward trajectory, with projections pointing to a bustling industry. The visuals show a striking bar chart where revenue climbs from billions to new heights over the next decade. With a consistent 24% annual growth rate and an $88 billion market by 2030, finance applications are outpacing traditional limits even further. This robust growth underlines the increasing reliance on data lakes to meet dynamic regulatory demands and drive innovation in finance right now. In today's evolving data landscape, the lakehouse architecture marks a revolutionary blend of flexibility and reliability. We see a detailed diagram that breaks down data sources, ingestion, storage, metadata, APIs, and consumption layers, illustrating how modern systems manage vast amounts of information. This hybrid approach is not only future-proof, but also enhances real-time decision-making. Notice the highlighted surge in BFSI adoption and the promise of 85% enterprise uptake by 2025. Together, these insights reveal a transformative path for financial operations. Join us now to totally embrace this evolution. The rise of cloud dominance and SME acceleration is reshaping the financial landscape. In this segment, 3 clear columns illustrate trends. A dominant cloud shift with over 65% market share, rapid SME entry at a 27% growth rate, and cautionary insights on financial risks due to poor data management. The slide also features an evocative quote emphasizing the urgency of robust data governance. This narrative encapsulates how modern finance leverages technology to unlock scalability while managing risks effectively. Together, these insights drive a balanced strategy for tomorrow's financial leaders. Step into the critical realm of real-time fraud detection and risk management. This slide reveals how transaction mapping and risk relationship diagrams actively monitor millions of transactions. With instant machine learning analysis, industry giants like JP Morgan and Citibank are championing a shift from reactive measures to proactive prevention. The visual network reinforces how intricate connections and real-time data streams help thwart fraud. As fraud risks evolve, these innovative systems ensure tighter security, smarter analytics, and a forward-thinking approach to safeguarding financial integrity. Join the revolution in advanced fraud prevention. Imagine a world where finance meets foresight. This slide brings predictive forecasting and strategic FP&A to life, merging dynamic planning with holistic data integration and liquidity optimization. Visuals include a dashboard showcasing real-time market shifts and patient satisfaction insights from First Medic. By combining internal transactions with external trends, finance teams can pivot quickly, forecast accurately, and make smart decisions. This blend of data mastery and strategic planning is revolutionizing financial performance and setting new standards for how organizations manage growth and risk. Join us now to embrace this transformation. In the final segment, we examine regulatory compliance and reporting, a cornerstone for modern financial operations. This slide clearly outlines scalable reporting, ESG integration, and audit readiness with visually striking icons and succinct text. The emphasis on affordable long-term storage, unified data repositories, and international standards highlights the critical role of compliance in today's finance world. With industry benchmarks and a compelling quote driving the message, it's evident that thorough data governance is not just beneficial, but essential for success in 2025. Let's embrace this bright future of global compliance. Welcome to our deep dive into how customer insights and innovative strategies are transforming personalized banking. In today's landscape, getting a 20-30% retention boost isn't just an ambition, it's a reality. Thanks to data-driven pilot programs that fine-tune customer experiences. Picture a holistic view where behavioral data meets financial trends, bringing you a complete customer 360 perspective. Plus, advanced churn prediction and product innovation pave the way for sustainable growth, ensuring that every interaction matters. This approach not only boosts customer loyalty, but also drives revenue growth and sets a new standard for personalized finance. Next, let's tackle risk management amid market volatility. This slide highlights 3 strategies: instant simulation, using lakes and AI for stress testing, treasury optimization for real-time liquidity, and integrated digital assets for unified reporting. A quote at the bottom warns that real-time simulation may be the difference between resilience and collapse by 2025. Clear icons and concise text guide you through each approach, equipping financial leaders to anticipate risks and make timely decisions in fast-paced markets. This integrated framework empowers you to transform challenges into strategic opportunities indeed. Now, let's explore how compliance meets customer insights for a powerful transformation. On this slide, we see how regulatory scalability and personalized banking merge. Notice how a 20 to 30% uptick in customer retention underscores the success of data-driven personalization. On the right, dynamic healthcare dashboards provide real-time insights, each revealing critical metrics in patient care. This balanced display of regulatory rigor and innovative data integration empowers financial professionals to optimize decisions and foster a culture of proactive compliance and customer focus, paving the way forward. Let's confront the dark side of data lakes. This slide warns us about the perils of governance failures and the dramatic impact on AI projects. On the left, challenges like murky reservoirs and volume crises remind us that disorganized data can waste precious hours. On the right, a stark 60% failure rate in AI initiatives signals severe efficiency losses. It's a cautionary tale. Without robust governance, even the most promising data lakes become liabilities, underscoring the urgent need for disciplined data management and strategic oversight. We must act now. Transitioning to overcoming implementation challenges. This slide breaks down how to navigate silos and scalability issues, along with integration and skills gaps. On the left, tactical strategies address legacy system integration and cost management in hybrid environments. On the right, solutions for seamless data flow are highlighted, alongside a crucial focus on tackling expertise scarcity through strategic hiring and upskilling. These insights provide a roadmap to streamline operations and unlock the full potential of modern data lakes, ensuring your organization can thrive in a rapidly evolving landscape with confidence. Now, let's dive into the critical risks of security and compliance in today's data landscape. This slide clearly outlines 3 key danger zones: high-value targets vulnerable to breaches, the hefty financial impact of compromised data, and the severe consequences of regulatory fines. A cautionary quote reminds us how a centralized data lake without proper encryption and lineage becomes a ticking time bomb. These insights urge financial leaders to prioritize robust security measures and compliance standards to protect sensitive information. They must act decisively to secure every digital asset today. Stepping into our success blueprint, we examine how strong governance and active management drive measurable ROI. The slide splits into 2 segments. On the left, governance and metadata emerge as key to data discoverability, while on the right, active management delivers faster insights, cost cuts, and fraud reduction. Tools like Unity Catalog are spotlighted, and trends outlined by Gartner emphasize the growing importance of metadata clarity. This comprehensive approach empowers organizations to streamline operations and achieve both accountability and financial performance. Together, these strategies pave the road to success. In our final chapter, we explore how mastering 2025's finance engine hinges on leveraging powerful data lakes and strategic governance. The slide features bold check marks underscoring transformational bullet points, driving a 20 BB plus growth engine, balancing flexibility with rigor, and setting the stage for tomorrow's leadership. An eye-catching banner teases the next episode on automation in finance, your next step to freeing operations from mundane tasks. As you reflect on these insights, remember that today's data mastery is tomorrow's competitive edge. Embrace innovation, drive progress, and lead with confidence always today.